So the weight of the ladder has finally caught up to me. Today, we're gonna fix that. So I got in something a little bit different. These are not 4Runner liftgate struts. They're actually made for the GMC Yukon or Escalade. I got these because the ones that I wanted for the 4Runner that have extra pressure for added ladders were on back order for about 2 months, and I didn't need to get this done right away because I'm constantly in and out of the tailgate with my tools. And also these are about $28 a pair, and the ones for the 4Runner are about $70 a pair. So I did want to try these. Hopefully they can get me through what I need them to do, and I'm going to mount them now and see how they fit and see how they hold up. It'll hold here, and it does require some effort to lift it up. When it's colder out, it'll come right down. So now that it's a little bit warmer out, it's actually holding. But even so, if I pull on the handle, which is some light pressure, it'll come right down again. So we need to fix this. I'm going to show you my very scientific method of testing downforce on the tailgate. 5-gallon bucket. I'm going to clamp it to the strap, and it holds the weight of the bucket. That's good. I do have some 1-quart paint cans that I weighed out. They're about 3 pounds each. This one is 3 pounds on the nose. See, this is coming down with 3 pounds already. So we're going to change these struts out and see if we can do better than 3 pounds. All right, closes no problem. It is going up on its own, that's good. I wasn't doing that before. I did notice, because it is slightly longer, that the clearance between the top of the ladder and the roof rack is a little bit smaller, but there's still room. So we're good with that. Seems to lift up nicely. So from here, before, it wasn't going up on its own, and it seems to be doing that now. So everything looks good. Let's test the bucket out. All right, so we'll put that 3-pound can in again. All right, so that can was pull the tailgate down with the old struts. So there's another one. This one's also 3 pounds. 1-quart can. Okay, so that's 6 pounds. This one is 2 pounds. So that'll be 8 pounds total in there. Holding with 8 pounds. It's actually the last weight that I have. It's a rock. 3.5 pounds. So 11.5 pounds total. Let's see if it holds. All right, well, it holds at 11.5. Last time 3 pounds were bringing the tailgate down, so it still feels like it probably holds maybe 5 more pounds at least. So I'm gonna put some information in the description below, some of the specs on both, and then links to where you can get either one. If you're going with a strut that's not built for the 4Runner, please make sure it's installed correctly and make sure you monitor it. You do not want the tailgate falling on your head. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I have a ton more content coming to this channel, and we are doing a lot of modifications to this guy right here. And the Ram Rebel will be back on the channel in a few months. That truck took a trip to New Jersey. We'll be back about Labor Day. So we have modifications going for that truck as well, as also off-road adventures in-state and out-of-state. So please stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, don't miss a video. Thank you.